Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called The Magical Zoo #3, Finding Katty. I read book 2 and now I'm reading 3. Sally looked at John while he was petting Tibby the tiger in the book cage. Let's go, you said. You said we must find the rest of the animals that escaped. I know, agreed John. Let me pet him for one more second. He is afraid. Sally was looking at John when suddenly there was a rumble. Did you hear that? She asked. Is that Kitty? He replied. Katty. Katty? Yes, Katty the zebra. He said as he got up. Let's find her. Hurry. Sally and John started to run down the library's aisles. Let's split up, he added, turning the opposite direction than Sally. Sally hurried until she saw two men pointing to the other hallway. There, go there, they instructed. Sally reached one of the hallways, and there was Katty the zebra. The animal was smelling a green book that she had pulled out from one of the shelves. The zebra was big and white, covered in stripes. Sally remembered what she learned at school about the zebra's stripes, like human fingerprints. The zebra's stripe pattern is unique to each animal. Walking on her tippy toes, Sally tried to get near to the zebra, but Katty heard Sally first and turned around with the green book clasped tightly in her mouth. Sally spread her hands apart, trying to not allow Katty to pass. The animal was not waiting. Pushed Sally aside and started galloping away. For a minute, Sally was confused, trying to understand where Katty was running to and what the zebra was doing with the green book. Katty didn't bother to look back when she ran out of the hallway. For a moment, the animal appeared to be smiling. Sally thought to herself, I know where she headed. She was going to the exit. Sally was right. Right before the count of 3, Katty was standing by the library's exit door. It took a minute until Sally and John were running after Katty. They looked for her, but 1 minute was enough time for Katty to hide. We must find her, stated John. We must. Katty was hiding. She found herself a great place to hide. She was hiding in the library's parking lot behind the cars. The black and white animal was behind the blue and red car. As the zebra put the green book on the ground and hid behind the blue car and bent her head a little so she wasn't seen. Suddenly, something happened. A small boy leaned out of his parents' car window and in the red car and shouted, Hey, there's a zebra here! There's a zebra here! Katty became scared and ran away from the cars. Sally and John heard the boy shout. They saw Katty dart in and out among the cars. Go behind the tree, Sally whispered to John. I'll go around the other side, but don't let her pass me. John went to the big tree and hid behind it. The zebra was running. She was frightened. She left the parking lot and was heading toward a small tree in the grass that was near the library. Sally was following her, and when they approached the tree, John leaped out. Katty, who knew him and recognized his face, slowed down and trotted up to John. John calmly petted Katty. Don't worry, everything is okay, he said as he continued to stroke her nose. Sally, let's go inside and put her with Tibby. I think she has had enough action for today. Come on, Katty, let's go. John led Katty back to the library with Sally following. Sally and John were walking to the library's hallways. They were heading toward the book cage to put Katty until they figured out what to do next. John pulled some more books from before the book cage. Katty, you need to stay here with Tibby. Tibby, you take good care of her, he said as he led the zebra inside the book cage. Sally looked at Tibby and Katty was in the book cage as they stood next to each other. They were hugging and nuzzling each other's noses. They were happy to be together. Well, they don't look like that in this photo. One is happy and the other is not. John closed the cage entrance with more books. It's to keep you here for a short time, he explained. Come on, Sally, let's find the rest of them. Off went John and Sally to look for more animals that escaped the magical zoo. Where's Milkshake? Sally thought to herself. I haven't seen him in a while. That's strange. And looks like we're going to be going for the next book. I think there's a lot of books in this series. I hope you enjoy this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!